City of London's argument in the court is about us obstructing the highway. Well, it's a bit silly since the thoroughfares are all much wider than most London pavements, as you can see. It's a judge, you know. He can make his decisions one way or the other. It's not. There's the law of the land and there's the law of the world.
3 months after they first took root at St Paul's on October the 15th.
Well, I was down at St Paul's since the first day. I'm now over at Finsbury Square. It's been a little tiring on occasions, but all in all, it's been a great experience. We're really raising a lot of awareness, getting a lot of conversations going. We believe the right to protest is a right. If we don't, at the end of the day, rights by definition shouldn't be able to be removed. Which is exactly what they're trying to do. On the one hand, they say we have the right to protest, and then they put all these restrictions. As we've seen the other day, they've evicted a load of guys from Parliament Square. So the reality is what they say and what they do are two entirely different things.
There's a Twitter we've been accessing about people inside the court, and they've been sending us regular updates. I think we know we've lost the court case now. It's just whether we can appeal and whether we have a stay of execution until the appeal or not. So we've got a plan to remove some stuff from site tonight. Obviously, we're not moving the whole site. We're going to resist because we're there legitimately. We're there peacefully.
What Occupy was arguing under was Articles 10 and 11 of Convention on Human Rights. The court has no discretion to defer possession. So the city is entitled to possession. Under common law, they can remove any tents not removed by Occupy.
Why can't we? You can't. Come on. This is a public hearing.
Yeah, and you're blocking it.
What are you on about blocking it, mate? I've been living there for the last... Bloody hell. Okay. These lot are absolutely outrageous.
They cannot do all you want to.
I mean, with Dale Farm, on the final appeal, the judge said that whilst the eviction was going to happen, he gave it certain conditions. And my only worry is that there haven't been any conditions, and this is people's home, people live there, and I'm worried about people getting injured at the eviction.
What do you make of the ruling?
Let them through!
Load of bollocks. Right to protest doesn't exist in this country. They've made that clear once again today.
There are people within the camp that want to peacefully resist. There are people that will resist depending on the circumstances, and that would affect the way that they resist. There are people that are planning on leaving, but I think that whatever happens, when there is an eviction, there is going to be some violence, and I would assume that it's going to be instigated by the police. It will be started by them.
Try and get contingencies in place that we get some people down to Finsbury, as many as we can on that site, get people down to the Bank of Ideas so they've got room to stay, so they can still protest, and then look at possibly taking another site. Obviously Bank of Ideas has got their court case going on at the moment. There's no eviction proceedings against Finsbury Square at this precise moment in time, but we've already had the peace camp down at Parliament Square evicted, St Paul's has been evicted, and the whole news is about cleaning up London for the Olympics and the Diamond Jubilee. So my personal opinion, it won't be long before they start on Finsbury as well.
An idea cannot be evicted, not even by attempting to evict St Paul's. The City of London, this is not the end. I myself continue, with my brothers and sisters of Occupy, to continue exercising my democratic, human right to protest in the manner that I choose, until social and economic justice is achieved. We're not there yet. Onwards and upwards for Occupy.
They will be appealing, and they will be appealing tomorrow, this judgment. This is an important judgment. It marks the start of a legal analysis as to the extent of public protest in this country. What Occupy have done on a legal basis here is push the boundaries of public protest law as far as legal institutions are concerned.
We're going back to St Paul's. Whoever wants to join us. We are the 99%. We are the 99%.